Experiencing internet connection problems with your BT YouView box can be frustrating. This guide will walk you through the essential troubleshooting steps to get your connection working properly again. The first and most effective troubleshooting step is performing a power cycle. This simple process resolves many temporary connection glitches by completely resetting both your YouView box and router. If the power cycle doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to reset your network settings. Navigate to Settings, then Network, then Reset Network Settings. This clears any corrupted configuration data and allows you to set up your connection fresh. It's important to determine whether your issue is specific to Wi-Fi or Ethernet connections. Test both connection types if possible. Ethernet connections are generally more stable and faster, while Wi-Fi offers convenience but may experience signal interference. Understanding your speed requirements is crucial for troubleshooting. You need at least 2 megabits per second for standard definition content, 5 megabits for high definition, and 25 megabits for 4K Ultra HD content. Also, ensure your upload speed is at least 1 megabit per second. These basic troubleshooting steps, power cycling, resetting network settings, and testing both connection types, resolve the majority of YouView internet connection issues. If your problems persist after trying these solutions, continue to the Advanced Troubleshooting section for more comprehensive fixes. When basic troubleshooting fails, Advanced Ethernet Optimization is your next step. The type of cable you use makes a significant difference in connection stability and speed. Cat5e cables support speeds up to 1 gigabit per second, while Cat6 cables can handle up to 10 gigabits. For YouView streaming, both work well, but Cat6 provides better future-proofing and reduced interference. Test different Ethernet ports on your router, as individual ports can fail while others remain functional. Additionally, enabling UPnP in your router settings allows your YouView box to automatically configure network connections. UPnP, or Universal Plug and Play, creates automatic port forwarding rules that help your YouView box communicate more efficiently with BT's streaming servers. For Wi-Fi connections, positioning is crucial. Keep your YouView box within 10 meters of your router and minimize physical obstructions like walls and furniture. The 5 GHz band typically offers better performance than 2.4 GHz for streaming, with less congestion and higher speeds, though it has shorter range. Wi-Fi channel congestion can severely impact performance. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to identify the least congested channels in your area. For 2.4 GHz networks, manually set your router to channels 1, 6, or 11, as these don't overlap with each other. This reduces interference from neighboring networks. Keep both your YouView box and router firmware updated. BT released significant connectivity improvements in 2025, including enhanced Wi-Fi 6E compatibility and automatic network optimization features. These updates have reduced average connectivity issue resolution time from 45 minutes to just 12 minutes, with a 96.8% connection success rate on first attempt. If these advanced troubleshooting steps don't resolve your connectivity issues, it's time to contact BT support. Professional help is especially recommended for hardware replacement or network infrastructure upgrades. Remember that Ethernet connections show 99.2% uptime compared to 94.7% for Wi-Fi, so wired connections remain the gold standard for reliable YouView streaming.